As we established before, one of the most important skills a trader needs is acquiring discipline and patience, which distinguish losing trades from winning ones. Discipline is about using predetermined trading rules every time, without questioning them or changing them on the hoof. Patience is about waiting for the right pattern or a favorable trading setup to appear. After you enter a new position, you need to patiently wait for that trade to unfold, instead of closing too soon. As the famous trader Jesse Livermore said, money is made by sitting, not trading. By the way, sitting aside and just watching without entering a position is highly important skill in trading. All this is easier said than done, but it's up to you to motivate yourself if you want to acquire those two skills. Imagine another situation where you have been sitting in front of the screen for hours, only for no favorable setups to materialize. You feel upset because you have invested so much of your time comparing your trading with a typical 9 to 5 job. But nothing happens, so you decide to break your own rules, hoping that you will have better luck. You open market position after a less than favorable setup shows up. Your risk-reward ratio is bad, but you will try your luck. Since this setup is not good for trading, you will probably end up with a loss. Now you get angry and reverse position, thereby committing revenge trade. After you have lost even more, you start to lose your patience and enter new positions without calmly analyzing the situation. After several hours of trading, you lose a significant amount of your deposit, feeling worse and insecure about your trading skills. This is something most traders commit several times throughout their career and should be avoided like a plague. Now, imagine passing through a red light and being hit by a car, then deciding to pass another red light out of revenge, only to be hit and hurt again. Sounds ridiculous, but exactly in the same way as the trading scenario above. Trading out of revenge, without using your trading tactics, discipline and patience is ridiculous. You will lose money and self-confidence while becoming psychologically devastated. Don't ever go down this path, not even to see how it feels. It feels bad. In a concrete terms, what should you do if you experience several losing trades in a row? Let's say you have lost 4 in succession. Simply stop trading and do something else. There is a reason why your tactics don't work. Either a market is in a turbulent state due to sudden news, or you are emotionally unprepared for trading. There may even be another reason, unknown to you. We said that trading should only involve entering safe bet positions. When you realize that something is wrong, you should give up completely and wait for the market to stabilize, or at least calm down or sharpen your thinking. Just stop and don't bother thinking much about the market. It is powered by hundreds of different, often contradictory forces. It is impossible to understand the market completely, and it is not necessary to do so. Throughout your trading career, you will witness highly bizarre situations that nobody predicted. See the Swiss franc rate hike, for example. Your only duty is to stick to your trading rules and let the law of probability work out matters in your favor. So, when you experience several losing trades in a row, don't even think about committing revenge trade. Just calm down and stop trading completely. Remember that facing the occasional losing streak is a normal experience for every successful trader out there. As an analogy, if a salesman knows that 10% of his prospects will be real customers, he knows that he needs to call 9 people in order to find that one person who will become a customer and make him a profit. He is not concerned about those 9 people who won't buy anything from him. It's exactly the same with trading. You don't worry about losing trades or losing streaks. You only take care that your overall score ends up as a plus. saying that you first need to ensure that your tactics are profitable, so that in the end you earn more than you lose. Once outlined, profitable tactics can be occasionally revised in order to make them even better. If you start to lose money while using your profitable tactics, you need to find out what happened and tweak your tactics accordingly. But situations like this are only occasional and not hard to spot.